Uma mucemanio wa maafitha anene a borithi guku Nairobi. Akiaria hindi ria hingurire mucemanio ucio, munene wa borithi guku Nairobi Japheth Koome nioigire maafitha ake ni methagathagite uria kwagiriire kuiga thayu hindi ino ya githurano. Koome ateterithitie ati aikaria guku Nairobi matiagiriirwo ni gukorwo na hahu igie githurano tondu mitaratara iri irabatarania ya kuiga thayu ni mihariririe.
We have a responsibility to provide security to our people without fear or favor. We have responsibility to ensure nobody at all is a threat to the life of the other one.
Ihirenio riu Koome ni arutite mukana kuri ateti matikagerie gucogera muingi hindi ino ya githurano. Oigite ni magurite macini cia kuoya miario ya ateti aria maracogera a Kenya niguo moerwo makinya ma kiwatho.
We are going to ensure that there is peace, there is order, and there is harmony. And anybody thinking otherwise, that is going to disrupt the day-to-day functioning of this city, it will not be allowed.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.